In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change which bank account QuickBooks selects when you're managing multiple accounts. If you've got more than one bank account linked, knowing how to prioritize them can save you time, reduce errors, and make your workflow much smoother. Let's dive in. First, head over to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Click on the sign in button to bring up the login portal. Make sure you select QuickBooks Online since QuickBooks has multiple platforms. Choosing the right one ensures you're managing your accounts correctly. Next, enter your login credentials, your username and password, and double check that everything is correct to avoid login issues. Once you're ready, click Continue and you'll be taken into your account. Now, let's go to the Bank Transactions page. You can find this by clicking on Bank in the main menu. Here, you'll see all your linked accounts and their transactions. Look for your checking account label and spot the small drop-down arrow next to it. Click this arrow. It's your gateway to account management options. From the drop-down menu, select Reorder Accounts. This feature lets you manage the order in which your accounts appear, which is especially helpful if you want to prioritize the account you use most frequently. Next, click the pencil icon to enable the reordering tool. This will allow you to drag and drop your account into the order that works best for you. Think about how you use each account, daily or weekly, and arrange them according to your priorities, whether it's your main business account or a personal account. Once you're happy with the new order, close the dialog box. Closing it not only exits the tool, but also saves the changes you made. QuickBooks will now recognize your updated account priority. And that's it. You've successfully changed the order. QuickBooks selects your bank accounts. By following these steps, managing multiple accounts becomes much easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tips to maximize your efficiency and make your accounting even smoother. Happy bookkeeping!